Having problem picking the right monitor to foster your artistic creativity? Don't know which one is the best option for you? Don't worry, just leave it up to me. I'll help you pick the right monitor for your artistic creativity. Think of how you do your work most of the time. Do you work with software like these? Or do you use Photoshop and Lightroom? Maybe you prefer working on a Mac to get your job done. Lastly, do you pay attention to color calibration? Well, questions lead to an answer. Let's review these questions and find the right monitor for you. If you use Photoshop and Lightroom and use color calibration, go with the SW series, the professional monitor for photographers. And if you use these, go with the PD series, which is tailor-made for designers. And if you work on a Mac, go with the Mac-friendly models like PD2720U and PD3220U. Whether you choose a PD or SW series monitor, the sure thing is, each will help you reproduce colors accurately with AQCOLOR technology.